Okay students, today we'll be starting with exercise 2.1. Add the following. A part 78,91,253 is to be added with 4,95,865. First, try to write the headings as per the place value. So here we have already defined the headings. Try to place the digits as per the proper place value. So already numbers are also arranged. Now, whenever we have to add it, always we have earlier discussed, we will be always starting from ones column. So here ones column is there. So first we'll be adding 3 plus 5. Already we are knowing 3 plus 5 is 8. So we will be writing 8 in ones column. No remainder, so nothing we have to define it. Next comes tens column. 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 when added, it will be 11. So 11 is a two digit number, more than 10 it is having the value. So extra value, that is 1, we will be writing here, and another one we will be taking as remainder, and that remainder will be writing in the hundreds column. So 5 plus 6 is 11, remainder will be 1. Try to add 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 is 10, and 1 remainder when added, it becomes again 11. Again 11 is a two digit number, so one's number will be writing as 1 only, and tens digit will be taking to the thousand column as remainder. Try to add 1 plus 5, it becomes 6. In that, when we add 1 remainder, it becomes 7. So the total value will be 7. Next column is 10,000. 9 plus 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So we'll be defining 8 here. 1 will be taken as remainder in the like column. Try to add 8 plus 4. It is 12. 1 remainder when added becomes 13. We'll be writing 3 here, and 1 will be taking as remainder in 10 lakh. Again, it is a single number 7. So in 7, when remainder 1 is added, it becomes 8. So this way, sum or the total will be 83 lakh 87,118. So this way we can add large numbers. D sum, try to solve in the similar manner. Let us see next sum as C. Now here the change is we have to add 3 digits. Here we have to add 3 digits. Earlier we have added only 2 digits. Rules are same, though you add 2 digits or 3 digits. Again, we'll be first defining the headings. So already headings are defined. We'll be writing our first number. All the digits we have placed as per the place value. Similarly, second digit number and third digit number we have placed as per the place value. Again, we'll be coming to the ones column. Try to add 3 plus 8 first. So 3 plus 8 is 11. In 11, try to add next number, that is 3. So it becomes as 14. So here we'll be defining 14 ka 4. 1 will be taking as remainder in the next column, that is 10th column. Try to add 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. 5 plus 5 becomes 10. In 10, when 1 is added, it becomes 11. Again we'll be writing 11 one's number as 1, and 1 number will be taking as remainder in the 100 column. Now when we add 7 and 9, try to add 7 and 9, it becomes as 16. 16 plus 1 becomes 17, and 1 remainder when added becomes 18. So try to add 18 ka 8 here. Take remainder 1 in the thousand column. Now we'll be adding 5 plus 1, that is 6. 6 plus 2, it is 8. 1 when added becomes 9. Move to next 10,000 column. When we add 2 plus 2, it becomes 4. 4 when added with 4 becomes 8. Try to write 8 here. Move to the next like column. Add 8 and 7. When 8 and 7 are added, it becomes as 15. 15 plus 5 when added becomes 20. So 0 will be writing here. 2 will be taking as remainder in the 10 lakh column. Now remainder value 2 and 1, total becomes as 3. In this way we can add the 3 digit sum and find the grand value or grand total. This sum try to solve in the similar manner. Let us see each sum. Again, rows are same, procedure is same, only the difference is here more bigger values are defined. Again, we'll be defining our headings. Then we'll be defining the first number as per the correct place value, second number, and the third number. Very important is as per the place value, try to arrange all the digits. We'll be starting with ones column. Let us add 9 plus 5, it becomes 14. 14 plus 5, when added, it becomes 19. So in 19, we'll be taking 9 and writing the value here, and 1 will be taking as remainder and will be defining in tens column. Add 7 plus 6, it becomes as 13. 13 plus 2, it becomes 15. Remainder 1 when added becomes 16. So in 16, we'll be taking 6 here, or we'll be writing 6 here, and 1 will be taking as remainder in the next 100 column. Now we'll be adding 5 plus 1, it becomes 6. 6 plus 1, it becomes 7. 7 when added with 1, it becomes 8. So write the final sum as 8. Let us move to 1000 column. Numbers are 3 plus 8, it becomes 11. 1 when added in 11, it becomes 12. So write 2 here. Take 1 remainder in 10,000 column. Add 2 plus 3, that is 5. 5 when added with 9 becomes 14. In 14, when 1 remainder is added, it becomes 15. So we'll be writing 5 here, and 1 will be taking remainder in the lag column. Try to add 1 plus 2, it becomes 3. 3 plus 4, it becomes 7. In 7, when 1 is added, the sum becomes as 8. Try to write 8 in the appropriate place. Let us move to next column, that is 10 lakh. Digits are 6 plus 5, it becomes 11. 11 when added with the 2, it becomes as 13. So write 3 and take 1 remainder in the next crore column. On adding the remainder 1 and 7, the total becomes as 8. So this way, the sum of this 3-digit number will be obtained as 8 crore 38 lakh 52,869. Try to solve F sum in the similar manner.